Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 8th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis this morning on the Euro dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. But either ways, man, on the 1 hour time frame, euro dollar, it's been a very slow couple of days. This was Monday from here to here, and then Tuesday has been also very, very slow. We got CPI coming out later on this week for the dollar, inflation data, so maybe the market's waiting for that. For me, the last structure level is still right here, so as long as it does not break that structure, I am still only looking for shorts. I mean, we did have a pretty decent Fibonacci bounce today, nice 50%, nice little move to the downside. You could have definitely made a few pips out of that. The trend is down, so I definitely would still be leaning towards looking for shorts in a downtrend, at least until we get that breaker structure to the upside, which we obviously have not had yet. So we do have a little bit of news to attend to. We have Aussie meeting minutes tonight, very late in the Asian session. And also, we have the Kiwi cash rate news, which they are planning on lowering interest rates by 50 basis points. So that definitely should do something to the Kiwi pairs. And then tomorrow we got FOMC meeting minutes for the US. So definitely a few things to pay attention to. CPI on Thursday is probably going to be the big news event for the week, especially for the dollar. But Aussie Kiwi news is coming up next. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.